Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. Today we consider graphical solution of a quadratic equation that involve representing the scale on the y-axis to be 1 centimeter to represent 5 units, and also on the x-axis to be 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit. In our last class, we consider representing 2 centimeter to represent 5 units on the y-axis and 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis. And I told us that our ruler, when you're considering 1 centimeter, let me say you're having 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Before you get to 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 2 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay, is 2 that's on the ruler, and to represent 1 unit. Now, when you are plotting your graph, it's not be like this: 0, well, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is, you count 20, start from 1. 1 as 1 unit. Count another one: 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Second one. Okay? On the x-axis, that was we discussed in our last class. And up, it will now be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one will now be 5. And another one: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have the next one. That's what we discussed in our last class, that this one on the x-axis will be 2 centimeter, because 1 centimeter will be 10 boxes, which is 10 lines. And we are now saying 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis. In our last class, that means that uh, we have 2 centimeter inside it, inside, before you can put 1 unit. And 1 unit that is increasing by 1. You see 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. 5 units, 0 to 5, 5 to 10. So now on the y-axis now be 2 centimeter to represent 5 units on y-axis. We're discussing about how to get those lines in our last class, that we discussed about graphical solution of quadratic equation. And now to now know what each point stands for, now say 1, each line what stands for. Now say 1 on the x-axis, on x-axis, on x-axis, we have 1 divided by 20. Okay, 1 use 20 to divide the 0 point, add the 0, 20 goes in 10, suppose 0, and there's a 20 in 105, 20 times 5, that's it goes 0 0.05. Is it each line now will now be 0 0.05. Okay, now to have 1 on this line, it will now be 0 0.05 times 2 will give us 1. 2 times 5, 10, 0 carry 1, times 0, 0 plus 1, 2 times 0, 0 plus 1, that's 1, 2 times 0, that's 0.1. To get 0 point, this one will not be 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 0 0.1, 0. We counted two boxes, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, 1. Okay, that means that joining two boxes together will give us 0 0.1. Now, if you want to get what is here now to be 1.1, count two boxes, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. Before you get one, we get to this point, 1.9 and 2, followed by 2.1, so that you know how to read your uh, graph. Now, to come up here, we have the first digit of a 5. That's a 5 divided by 20 to know what each box stands for. Always consider the first uh, number to note what each box stands for. 5 divided by 20, that's 5 here inside. 20, 20 goes in 5. 20 goes in 5. It's not possible. 0 point. Add 0. 20 and 50, 2 times. 20 times 2, that's 40. That's 10. 20 goes in 10. It's not possible. Add 0. 20 goes in 10. 20 goes in 100. 5. 20 times 5, that's 100. Okay? That's each point on y-axis. On y-axis now. Y-axis, each point is 0 0.25. This is 0.25. To get 2 points now, 0.25 times 2, 2 times 5, 10, 0 carry 1, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 0.5 for these 2 points. To get 1, now we times another 2 to know what it gives us. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5, 10, 0. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 5, 10, 0 carry 1, 2 times 0 is 0, that's 1. To have 1 now, you have 4 points. 4 points, this is 0.5, 2 points. And let's now see, count 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.1, so, sorry, 1, sorry, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means that you're having 4 points will give us 1. Before you get to this 5, you will count 5 ones to give us 5. Now, when you get to this number, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Okay, that's how to get it when you are getting points on the graph. If you use 5 to divide the number of small boxes to know what each point stands for. This is 2 on the y-axis, 2 centimeters represent 5 units on the y-axis, and 1 centimeter for 10 small boxes. Since you're having 2 centimeters, it will be 20 small boxes. That's what we discussed in our last class. But today, we're going to be talking on 1 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter to 5 unit on y-axis. Hence, find the root of the equation. And let's see, we're having x, we're having what are the range of the value of x? -4 to +4. That's -4 minus 3 minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So to bring your value of x, you want to know the corresponding value of y. Yes. Now we have x, you now divide y is equals to, forget y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. You now separate them. The first one is 2x squared. The second one, 3x. Next one, minus 3. The final one, that's y. Okay? By the time you add everything together, you see, give you y. We add this directly by saying y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 equals to 0. And say y equals 2 into the first one minus 4. Put minus 4 here squared plus 3 into minus 4 minus 3 equals to 0. Let's see that one. Y equals 2 times minus 4 squared means minus 4 times minus 4, which is 16. Because negative and negative give us positive. Minus 4 times minus 4, which is 16. Plus, let's say 3 times plus 3 times minus 4, that's minus 12 minus 3 equals to 0. Y equals 2 times 16, that's 32. Minus 12, let's do the subtraction separately. Minus 12 minus 3, that's minus 15. 32 minus 15, that is 17. Okay, the final answer of y is 17 directly. You don't need to put 2x squared, 3x minus 3 separately. You can just put y and calculate your y directly, but I want to separate it so that we can add it and get our y. This is another method of doing it. Let's see. When x is minus 4, let's substitute as 2 into minus 4 squared, which is 2 times minus 4 times minus 4, which is 2 times minus 4 times minus 4, that's 16, which is 32. Come here and put your 32. 3x, 3 times minus 4, that's minus 12. Minus 12, bring your minus 3 down. Isn't it? 13 minus 12 minus 3 will give us 17. Still the same thing with what we did when you substitute directly. That's 32 minus 15. That's 7 minus 2. 2 minus 1, that's 1. Now let's come to this. When x is minus 3, now substitute your minus 3 into where you have x. 2 into minus 3 squared, which is 2 times minus 3 times minus 3, which is 2 times minus 3 times minus 3, that's 9. 2 times 9, 18. We are having 18 here. We are having the next one, 3 times minus 3. 3 times minus 3, we have minus 9. Minus 9 here. Don't make mistake of adding minus 4 to everything, all the numbers here. We are starting from the addition from 32 to x squared. These are the range of numbers on x, okay? Now, minus 3, bring it down. Let's add it. 18 minus 9 minus 3, that's minus 12. 18 minus 12, that's 6. That's 6. Now, if you're 6 here, let's go to when x is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 squared, which is 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, plus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, that's 4. 2 times 4, that's 8. We're having 8 here, followed by 3x, which is 3 times minus 2, which is minus 6. You have a minus 6 here. You'll bring your minus 3 down. Now you have minus 6 minus 3, that's minus 9. 8 minus 9, that's minus 1. That's minus 1. Let's come to when x is 0. When x is 0, when x is 0, we are having 2x squared equals 2 into bracket 0 squared, which is 2 times 0 is 0. That's 0. This one is 3 times 0, because this is 3x, substitute x, 0 into x, 0 minus 3, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 3, that's minus 3. Here, when x is 1, 2 into 1 squared, which is 2 times 1, equals to 2. We have 2 here. 3 times 2 is 3x equals 3 times 2, which is 6. We have 6. Bring minus 3 down. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 minus 3. Let's say 2 plus 3. Okay, please. Let's take note of this. 3 times 1. It's a little mistake here. 2, when you substitute 1 into this x, that's 3 into 1, that's 3. That's 3 times 1, that's 3 here. Sorry. Please take note. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2. 5 minus 3, because it's 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. These are the range, yielding a value of x. Please, let's be very careful when you are substituting the value of x. Next one, 2x squared equals 2 into bracket 2 squared, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. We have 8. 3x equals 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring your minus 3 down. 8 plus 6, that's 14. 14 minus 3, that's 11. That's 11. The next one that we're having is, let's look at this also very well. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is minus 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 8 minus 6, that's 2. 2. This one, let's look at it very well. 3 times minus 2, that's minus 6. Okay. 3 times 2 times minus 2 squared, that's 8. Now 8 minus 9, that should be minus 1. Okay. Oh, we have jumped when x is minus 1. We have jumped when x is minus 1. Because we have minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 supposed to come first. Let's take note. After this, minus 1, 0. So I have minus 1 before 0. So I have minus 1 before 0. Please take note. This minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how it should be. We miss one value of x. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when x is minus 1. You're having 2 into minus 1 squared, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. 2. 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3. Bring minus 3 here. Now, minus 3, that's minus 6. 2 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 3, which is 2 minus 6, which is minus 4. Minus 4. Okay? And let's do substitute 0. 2 times 0 squared, that's 0. 3 times 0 is 0. We have minus 3, that's minus 3. 2 times 1 squared, 2 times 1 squared, which is 2. We're having 2 here. 3 times 1, we're having 3 of minus 3. Now let's see, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Now when x is 2, now have 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by 2 squared, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. We're having 8 here. 3 times 2, that's 6. Having minus 3. 8 plus 6, that's 14. 14 minus 3, 11. 11. Now, having the next one, when you substitute for 3, you substitute for 3. Want to substitute for 3 now. 2 multiplied by 3 squared, which is 2 times 9, that's 18. 3 times 3, that's 9. Bring minus 3. Minus 3. 18 plus 9, that's 27. 27 minus 3, that's 24. That's 24. The last one, 2 multiplied by 4 squared, which is 2 times 4 squared, 4 times 4, which is 2 times 16, that's 32. 3 times 4, that's 12. Bring minus 3. 32 plus 12, that's 44 minus 3, that's 41. 41. These are the range of value of y. Now, we want to plot the graph now. We want to plot the graph of x and y axis. X and y axis. It's a sketch. Might not be, it's not a perfection. Just have the idea. Okay. You have a 0 here. Minus 1, minus 2. 2 minus 4. Minus 3, minus 4. This minus x axis. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. It ends at 4. For the y axis, you can see the highest is 41. The lowest is minus 4. Okay. What you just do is just make it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. This one will be minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. This positive y axis, positive x axis, negative y axis. Please don't forget our scale. The scale, say 1 centimeter scale. 1 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter to 5 units on y-axis. This is what you are following on y-axis. On y-axis, write it on top of your graph. And since it's 1 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis, and this 1 unit you having 10 boxes or 10 lines, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10 will fall on this one. Now to know on x-axis, each line will now be 1 divided by this 1 divided by 10 boxes, which is 0 0.1. Now 0 0.1 is 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.5, 0 0.7, 8, 9, 10. So 9, 0 0.91, sorry. Okay, 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 like that. On the y-axis, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now say 5 on y-axis, it will be 5 divided by 10, so that we know what each box stands for. We'll be adding it to the baseline when you are plotting your graph, depending on what you want to plot from the graph. Now 5 divided by 10, that's 0 0.5. This is 0. Sorry, 0. Let's see, 5 divided by 10, 0. It's not 5, 10 cannot go for hard 0, it's 0 0.5. Now 0 0.5, 1, 2, 0 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. That's how it will be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one will be 5.5 now, 6, 6.57, 7.58, 8.59, 9.5, 10. And we can now plot our graph. Since we know on x-axis, on x-axis, on x-axis, each point will now be 0.1. On y-axis, each point will be 0.5. Can now plot our graph now. I'll plot our graph. When x is minus 4, y is 17. X is minus 4, y is 17. Y is 17. Okay, we have known our scale. You know, y is 17. When x is minus 4, y is 17. That's 50.5, 16, 60.5, 17. Okay, you now trace it. Well, each box is 0.5. On y-axis, trace it. Next one, when x is minus 3, y is 6. X is minus 3, y is 6. 5.5, 5.5, 5.5 plus another 0.5. See now, 5.5 plus 5 is 10. 0 carry 1. Add 1 to this, that's 6. See, that means that the second box will be the our 6 to minus 3, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1. Your minus 1 will be 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 4, minus 1 to minus 4, is it 0 minus 0.5, 1, 1.5 minus 1.5 minus 2, and 3.5 minus 4. Okay, 0 to minus 3. This 0, this point is on the 0 to minus 3, minus 1, minus 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, minus 0.5, 1. This quantity now is to 10. Is that okay? Count 10 lines. Let's do it very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. And we want to get 2 minus 3. Start 0.5, 1, minus 1, minus 0.5 minus 1, minus 1.5 minus 2, minus 2.5 minus 3. Start on this. 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Go up this x minus 1 and 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2. Trace it. Followed by 2 to 11, 2 to 11, this is 10, 11 count 1, 10.5, 11. 3 to 24, 3 to 24, trace up, this 24, will be the 8, this 20.5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 20.5, now will be 24, 0, 1, 1.2, 20.5, 21, 21.5, 22, 22, 20, 20.5 plus 0.5, 21, 21.5, 22, 20.5, 20, 20.5, 24. 3 to 3, 4 to 41, 4 to 41 is 40, 40.5, 41. We add this 0.5 together to it. Okay, now let's sketch it. In one case, you use French curve. Doing a sketch. Okay, these are y equals quadratic graph 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. Now the root of the equation the root of y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 3 are x equals where it cuts this x-axis, as you see it cuts at this point, minus 2 is minus 2 points. On this point, on x-axis is points. When we divide it, 1 divided by 10, that 0.1, that's minus 2.1. Minus 2.1, and x equals, what cause this place? This is 0.12345. And is 0.5 at this point where it cuts this line. This 0.1 for each of that's 1 point, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, That's how to count it. Because on x-axis, when we divided it, x-axis, we have 1 divided by 10, which is 0.1. On y-axis, 5 divided by 10 boxes is 0.5. We now be adding it, or you multiply it. 0.1 times 1 will be 0.1 times 2, that's will be 1. 1.0, that's how it will be adding them together. Now, if you want to get the 8th line, 0.5 times 8, that's 8 times 5, 0. On the y-axis, 8 times 5, 40. Put 0 down, carry 4. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 4, that's 4.0. The 8th line will now be that. The 9th line is 0.5 times 9. 9 times 5, 45. 5 carry 4. 4 plus 0 4.5. The 9th line will be 4.5. The 10th line will be times 10, which is 5. Okay, this 5 will be the baseline. We'll be adding the other lines to it. Like now, if you want to, this, you know that each point is 0.5 now. Now 0.5. If you need 6, 0.5 times 1 to this. Each line is 0.5 times 2, the second line, as 2 times 5, 10. 0 carry 1, 2 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. You now add that 1, which is 2 lines, to this 5, as 5 plus 1, because we counted 2 boxes before we get 1 that we added to 6. Since we need 6 from here, now add 1, count 2 boxes, 1, 2. Add it to this 5, which is 6. This one on this point now will now be 6. Okay, that's will now trace it down to minus 3. That's what I see, minus 3. That brings us to the end of the class. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. Have a wonderful day.